In this video, I will teach you 7 different ways to insert shapes and draw in Google Docs. This is a follow-up video, the part 2 of the video, how to double your typing speed. If you have not watched that video, please go ahead and do so, because in that video, I share the steps that you can use to convert handwritten documents to typed documents. That was when a question came up, that what if the handwritten document or handwritten paper has drawings, like this one that I'm about to show you. So what if there are symbols, there are drawings, there are shapes like rectangle, as we have on this page? How can we set these things in Google Docs? This is what I'm going to teach you in this video, 7 different ways to do so. Please make sure you watch the video to the end, because at the end, I'll share a bonus method. It might be the easiest option for you. Let me quickly follow the methods we learned in the first video to convert this handwritten document to typed document. I have followed the steps we learned in the first video to get this, what you are seeing on my screen right now. In the mobile version of Google Docs, whether on Android or iOS, there is no direct insert shape button or drawing. The drawing tool is found on the computer version, but now we have a phone that we are using and we still have to do the same work. To draw or insert shapes in Google Docs, must use one of the following workarounds that I'm going to show you. The first one is to use emoji. Let me demonstrate that now. In the first question here, you can see that the AI said 6 circles or dice drawn. No, I'm going to replace that with emoji. So to access the emojis, many of us have been using emojis when we type on WhatsApp. I'm going to come to my keyboard and tap this symbol for emoji. When I tap it, I'll come to where there's this emoji icon here. So I can insert some of these shapes here, like the football that I saw on the question paper. I can then insert the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will remember how many. And then I can put a space where the pupil will put their answer. Then I go to the next one. It says 8 cups or mugs drawn. Well, I can still use emoji to replace that. I can use emoji, come to this place and put this cup or this bowl, or I can still search for other emoji. In Google Docs, there is Gemini. There's a generative AI there. On the right part, the top part of my screen, if you are seeing something that looks like star, just tap it, and then it will ask you to enter a prompt. I can then say, okay, generate a rectangle that is divided into 2 parts by the diagonal and 1 part is shaded. Let's see what happens. Just give it a moment. Beautiful. You can see that it has generated, so I can choose which one I want to use. So I can, let me see, I can pick any one. It actually generated a square. Now I'm going to download the image, yes, before I can insert it in Google Doc. I'm going to download it. Let me create space for the image. So I can then come, I'll tap this plus sign, come to image from photos. This is the one that's just been generated. When I tap on it, you see cut, copy, paste, tap the 3 dots. When you tap the 3 dots, you can then come to image options. So you change the text wrapping to behind text. So with that, you can easily move the image around, reduce the size, and take it to wherever you want it to be. Then change it to a rectangle. The third option is to insert image from the web. You still go to that plus that is up there, tap image and tap from web. So from here you can then search the web, rectangle. See, it's searching the internet now. So from here you can search and insert images. Please make sure that you use those ones that are prepared under the Creative Commons license. as that you can use freely just to avoid violating copyright law. Option 5, the Google Slides method. We'll open the Google Slides and app and create a blank presentation just as I have done. Below, you will see this icon for shape below. So when you tap it, you see different shapes that you can insert. Different shape, arrows, flow charts, even for equation, equal to, and the rest. You can insert shapes. And let's say I want to insert this. I want to color it this color, and then move it to Google Docs. For iPhone or iPad, if you tap the shape and you select copy, you switch to Google Docs, tap and hold and select paste. It may paste as an image. But for Android, direct copy paste often doesn't work between apps. Instead, you can take a screenshot of this page and then insert it as an image in Google Docs. Option is to use desktop mode in your browser. This method allows you to use the full computer version of Google Docs on your phone. But make sure that you change your mobile browser, either Chrome or Safari, anyone you are using, change it to desktop mode first before you access Google Docs. Otherwise, Google Docs will open with the mobile app that is on your phone. So this is how to change to desktop mode. Open your browser, go to google.com, tap the three dots at the top right corner here and scroll. You see desktop site. When you check that box, desktop site, you see it's as if my phone is a computer. So when you now type docs.google.com here, it will open here in your browser. If you want to draw, you can open a blank presentation or any document. Let me zoom in so that you can see. When you tap insert, you see drawing. When you tap on drawing, you see new. Tap new. Then the canvas for drawing will open. You see the canvas here. And then you can insert different shapes and draw here. When you insert a shape, I can adjust it. Once I click save and close, the shape is automatically inserted into the document. I hope you have seen this. If I close this page now and I go back to my mobile app, you see the shape we inserted using the browser version, the desktop version of Google Docs. Is to export the AI generated output to Microsoft Word, the mobile version of Microsoft Word. This is how it works. This is a new document in the mobile version of Microsoft Word. This looks like the easiest method if you have plenty things to draw. If you tap this arrow on the right for more options, you'll see the menu here. Come to insert. When you come to insert, you see shapes, and as soon as you open shapes, you see different shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes that you can use in your drawing. You can even tap on them, you can move them around and adjust them. You can do things like this. You can format the shapes. I can make sure that I don't want the field to be blue. I can insert another one so that it will look like a house. Let me set a triangle rather. And then I can place it on top of this one. So you can do different things with the different shapes. If you have not watched the first video about the steps you use to convert a handwritten document to a typed document, please do so now. Did you get any value from this video? If yes, then subscribe, because every week I share practical tips like this. Give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with others. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.